Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, my YouTube family and friends. Out and about today. We're by the pool today. I will give you a talk today. You still see the ocean a little over there between those palm trees, guys. It's nice and it's not very windy, just a little bit windy. Just a little bit windy. Just a little bit windy. Yep, I can see the trees. There's the ocean, guys. Just sitting here chilling, chilling, chilling. Girls diving. Good to yourself, guys. Come back to talk to you again. Just want to give a shout out to the birthday people in August, guys. Every day this month is our birthday, so big shout out to you if you're born this month. In a day will be my beautiful daughters, and so we want to be thankful for that. So big up yourself, all you Leos, strong leaders. Just big up yourselves. Today I'm just here, and while I'm sitting here, I'm just thinking, guys. So let me just quickly talk to those of you who are coming back home and thinking of shipping furniture or coming down to buy furniture. Whichever your choice is, I don't know. But again, all things that you do your homework, do the comparisons. That's why I say don't just pack up and come. Sometimes you have good furniture where you are. You think of the fact that we get some commissions when you come as a returning resident. Check out all of that, guys. I did the video. Excuse me. Where are you going? Excuse me? You did what? No, you need to sit. You don't need to tell her anything. You could stand right there and tell it to her. I'm sorry, guys, but you know that compare the prices. Compare the prices. Remember, sometimes you've invested in good furniture where you are. Understand that when you come home, in order to buy a decent piece of furniture, it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg. Today we were in Courts, and we had a lady who bought a washing machine 1 year, and the washing machine is already torn apart. She's so overwhelmed because they keep telling her, come back, they fix this, they fix that. Machine's still not working. So if you had your good quality things, guys, I would advise you to pay the money to do your shipment. To do a container. I knew from day one that I wanted to do a container. Might not be this month or next month, but if gradually that's gonna happen. Because in the container you can pack all the tissue you want, all the toilet paper you want, all your paper towel you want, considering how much it is down here. If you convert the dollar bills, guys, you're gonna see that the things that you get there are much cheaper. That's in my opinion from where I shop. So think about those things, guys. You ship a container, you can put all the tin salmon you want. It tastes so good. You can put what you want. Your body wash, your abundance of Palmolive dishwashing liquids, your abundance of Tide, the Tide that does well with your washing machines. You can put as much as you want in them. You know, when you come down and to spend 300, 400,000 for a decent piece of furniture, if you do get the decent piece. Guys, it's listen. So I'm shipping my furniture because they're still in good quality and good condition. So I'm choosing to ship when the time is right, and just enjoy them. So you guys just compare your prices and look for your good sales and get your stuff coming down here. Come down. All right. So all depends on what you intend to do, guys. Some people want to just come and start fresh, get stuff, but understand quality has to be part of it. Okay. So be good to yourselves. Be good to yourselves. Enjoy the day. Enjoy this month. Again, happy birthday to all the Leos, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for your support. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome. Totally appreciate you. Totally appreciate the support. Welcome. And to my members, thank you again. Thank you so much. Enjoy the view, guys. That's the ocean right there. Enjoy it. And until the next video, Miss Bev is signing out. Onward and upwards always. If you can't be good, be careful. Walk good, do good, live good. Bye.